Let's solve questions related to data communications and computer networks in 2019 Telangana ECE ESET question paper. The first question: in asynchronous serial communication, the physical layer will be it provides start and stop signaling. So basically, physical layer will be dealing with bit to bit delivery of data aided with the various transmission mediums. So in asynchronous serial communication, the communication is not synchronized by the clock, and instead start and stop signaling and flow control methods are followed in asynchronous method. Next, wireless transmission can be done by which type of waves? It is radio waves. So basically, wireless communication uses microwaves and radio waves to transmit information, and the advantages of this are no wires are needed to connect any of the devices to internet or for mobile phones or for radio. Next, Bluetooth is a wireless technology of personal area network called PAN. So this personal area network is an ad hoc wireless connection that allows devices to communicate directly with each other. So in the personal area network, the internet connection of one of the devices can be shared with other device through Bluetooth tethering. Next, which of the following allows client to update his DNS entry, domain name entry, and his IP address changes? So basically, DDNS, dynamic DNS, is a service procedure that supports assignment of a dynamic IP address to a particular domain. So a comparison of the internet provider's DNS database takes place automatically. So the dynamic DNS automatically ensures the change of the IP address are detected and the DNS entries are updated accordingly. Next, which multiple access techniques is used by 802.11 standard in wireless LAN? This question is also asked in the last year. So basically, CSMA collision avoidance, carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance is a technique which is used. So CSMA CA is carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance. So this is used in IEEE 802.11 standard for wireless LAN, and this is a protocol for carrier transmission in this particular networks. So unlike CSMA CD is collision detection. So unlike CSMA collision detection, which deals with the transmission after a collision has occurred, CSMA CA will be acting in preventing collisions before they happen. Try to remember this. Next, a proxy server keeps a copy of the responses to. So generally, a proxy server is a computer that keeps a copy of the response to the recent request. So it acts as a intermediary for requests from clients seeking resources from the servers. So what is a proxy server? So it's HTTP hypertext transfer protocol supports proxy servers, and a proxy server is a computer that keeps the copies of the response of the recent request. This is very important. Next, how many OSI layers are covered in X25? So basically, X25 layer is mapped with the OSI reference model. So I'll explain you how exactly it has 3. So in OSI reference model, you have physical layer which is linked to physical layer in X25 model, and you in OSI model you have data link layer which is linked to frame in X25 model, and in OSI model network layer is linked to packet in X25 model. So you have only these 3 layers, whereas you have again transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer in OSI reference model. So you have 3 layers which are covered in this standard. Next, bank's ATM facility is an example of. So basically, bank is a private wireless area network because each bank will be having a separate network. So typically the bank leases the communication links from a communication carrier such as a service provider, which will be installing its own ATM machines and routers and configuring them with their requirements. So here wireless area network is an important part of this enterprise network strategy, because banks and credit unions utilize the wireless area network to transmit data from their branches and carry out daily functions regardless of the location. Next, so frames from one LAN can be transmitted to another LAN through which device? So basically bridge is a network device which will be connecting multiple local area networks together to form a larger local area network. So the process of aggregating the networks is called network bridging, and a bridge will be connecting different components so that they appear as a part of a single network. So bridge will be connecting two local area networks through ports. So here you have the concept of segments. So try to remember all the details of bridge. Next, when a router cannot route a datagram is discarded and sends message to the source. So here basically ICMP, destination unreachable messages, is sent by a router in a response to a packet which it cannot be forwarded because the destination is unreachable or unavailable. So just remember, destination unreachable messages are disregarded in this case. So with this, the questions related to data communications and computer networks are completed in this question paper.